Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step checklist for choosing backup software tailored specifically for finance teams. With sensitive financial data at stake, selecting the right backup solution is crucial. We'll break down each step, highlight key considerations, and help you make a confident, informed decision. Whether you're a finance manager, IT lead, or team member, this guide will clarify the process and ensure your data remains secure and accessible. Let's get started by understanding why backup software is so vital for finance teams. Finance teams handle highly confidential and mission-critical data, from payroll records to financial statements. Losing this data due to accidental deletion, cyber attacks, or hardware failure can have severe consequences. That's why having reliable backup software isn't just a technical necessity, it's a business imperative. In this scene, we'll explore the risks finance teams face and how robust backup solutions can mitigate them, ensuring business continuity and compliance with regulations. The first step in choosing backup software is to assess your finance team's specific needs. Consider the types of data you manage, the volume of information, and how often it changes. Are you dealing with spreadsheets, databases, or cloud-based financial tools? Do you require real-time backups, or is daily sufficient? Understanding your requirements will help you narrow down software options that align with your workflow and data protection goals. Finance teams must comply with strict regulations, such as GDPR, SOX, or local financial laws. When evaluating backup software, ensure it supports compliance requirements relevant to your industry and region. Look for features like audit trails, encryption, and data retention policies. This step is essential to avoid legal penalties and maintain trust with stakeholders. Security is paramount for finance teams. Evaluate backup software for robust security features, such as end-to-end encryption, multi-factor authentication, and secure access controls. The software should protect data both in transit and at rest. Ask vendors about their security certifications and how they handle potential threats. This step ensures your financial data remains confidential and safe from unauthorized access. Different backup types serve different needs. Full backups copy all data, while incremental and differential backups save only changes since the last backup. For finance teams, a combination of these types can optimize storage and recovery speed. Consider whether the software supports cloud, on-premises, or hybrid backups, and choose the approach that best fits your infrastructure and risk tolerance. Backup is only as good as your ability to recover data quickly and accurately. Evaluate the software's recovery options. Can you restore individual files, entire databases, or full systems? How fast is the recovery process? For finance teams, minimizing downtime is critical. Test the recovery process during your evaluation to ensure it meets your expectations and business needs. Manual backups are prone to human error and inconsistency. Look for backup software that offers automation features such as scheduled backups, automatic error detection, and notifications. Automation ensures your finance team's data is consistently protected without relying on manual intervention, freeing up time for more strategic tasks. As your finance team grows, so will your data. Choose backup software that can scale with your organization. Assess whether the solution can handle increasing data volumes, additional users, and new data sources without performance issues. Scalable solutions help future-proof your investment and ensure long-term reliability. Finance teams often use a mix of accounting software, ERP systems, and cloud services. Your backup software should integrate seamlessly with these tools. Check for compatibility with your existing systems and APIs for custom integrations. Smooth integration reduces manual work and ensures all critical data is backed up automatically. Not everyone in your finance team needs the same level of access to backup data. Look for software that offers granular user access controls, allowing you to assign permissions based on roles. This minimizes the risk of accidental data loss or unauthorized changes and helps maintain data integrity. Effective backup software should provide detailed reporting and monitoring features. These allow you to track backup status, identify issues, and demonstrate compliance during audits. Look for customizable dashboards, automated alerts, and comprehensive logs. This transparency helps finance teams stay proactive and accountable. Before making a final decision, research the reputation of backup software vendors. Read customer reviews, check industry ratings, and ask for references. A reputable vendor is more likely to provide reliable support, regular updates, and robust security. This step helps you avoid potential headaches down the road. Backup software comes with varying pricing models: subscription, perpetual license, or pay-as-you-go. Analyze the total cost of ownership, including setup, maintenance, and potential upgrade fees. Balance your budget with the features and support you need. Remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best for critical finance data. Even the best software can fall short without proper support and training. Evaluate the vendor's customer support channels. Do they offer 24/7 help, live chat, or dedicated account managers? Also, check for training resources like tutorials, documentation, and onboarding sessions. Good support ensures your finance team can resolve issues quickly and use the software effectively. Most backup software vendors offer free trials or demo versions. Take advantage of these to test the software in your actual environment. Simulate real backup and recovery scenarios, and involve your finance team in the process. This hands-on approach helps you identify any limitations or usability issues before committing. Finance teams often need to retain data for specific periods due to legal or business requirements. Ensure your backup software allows you to set custom data retention policies. This flexibility helps you comply with regulations and manage storage costs by automatically deleting outdated backups. Decide whether you need a cloud-based, on-premises, or hybrid backup solution. Cloud backups offer flexibility and off-site protection, while on-premises solutions provide more control. Hybrid options combine the best of both worlds. Consider your team's workflow, security posture, and regulatory needs when making this choice. Encryption is a must for protecting sensitive financial data. Check that the backup software uses industry-standard encryption protocols such as AES 256, both during data transfer and storage. Strong encryption ensures that even if backups are intercepted, your data remains unreadable to unauthorized parties. A comprehensive backup solution should include disaster recovery features. This means the ability to restore operations quickly after events like ransomware attacks, hardware failures, or natural disasters. Look for software that offers automated failover, off-site replication, and clear disaster recovery plans tailored for finance teams. Versioning allows you to restore previous versions of files, which is especially useful if data is accidentally modified or corrupted. Ensure your backup software supports versioning and lets you configure how many versions to keep. This feature adds an extra layer of protection for your finance team's critical documents. Finance professionals are often on the move. Backup software with mobile access lets authorized users monitor backups, receive alerts, and even initiate restores from their smartphones or tablets. This flexibility ensures your team can respond to issues promptly, no matter where they are. Audit trails track every action taken within the backup software, from file changes to user logins. For finance teams, this is essential for accountability and regulatory compliance. Ensure the software provides detailed, tamper-proof logs that can be easily exported for audits or investigations. Data deduplication helps save storage space by eliminating duplicate copies of data. For finance teams with large datasets, this feature can significantly reduce costs and improve backup efficiency. Check if the software offers inline or post-process deduplication and how it impacts performance. Backup operations shouldn't slow down your finance team's daily work. Evaluate how the software affects system performance during backups and restores. Look for solutions that offer throttling, bandwidth management, or run during off-peak hours to minimize disruption. Finance teams may use a mix of Windows, Mac, and Linux systems. Ensure your backup software supports all platforms in your environment. This compatibility avoids gaps in protection and simplifies management for IT staff supporting the finance team. Every finance team has unique workflows. Choose backup software that allows customization, whether it's backup schedules, notification settings, or reporting formats. Customization ensures the solution fits seamlessly into your team's daily operations and preferences. Look for backup software that has been independently certified by third-party organizations. Certifications like ISO 27001 or SOC 2 demonstrate a commitment to security and reliability. These credentials provide extra assurance for finance teams handling sensitive data. If you're switching from an existing backup solution, data migration support is crucial. Check if the software offers tools or services to help transfer your current backups and configurations. Smooth migration minimizes downtime and ensures continuity for your finance team. A robust notification system keeps your finance team informed about backup status, errors, or required actions. Look for software that offers customizable alerts via email, SMS, or in-app notifications. Timely updates help you address issues before they become critical. Legal holds prevent specific data from being deleted, which is vital during audits or litigation. Ensure your backup software supports legal hold features, allowing you to preserve relevant financial records as needed. This capability helps your finance team stay compliant and prepared for legal challenges. APIs allow you to integrate backup software with other business systems, automate tasks, and customize workflows. For finance teams using multiple tools, API availability is a major advantage. Check the documentation and support for APIs before making your choice. Some regulations require financial data to be stored in specific geographic locations. Ensure your backup software allows you to choose data storage regions or complies with localization requirements. This is especially important for multinational finance teams. Backup verification ensures your data is actually being backed up correctly. Look for software that automatically verifies backups and alerts you to any issues. This step gives your finance team peace of mind that data can be restored when needed. A user-friendly interface makes it easier for finance team members to manage backups, monitor status, and perform restores. Look for intuitive dashboards, clear navigation, and helpful tooltips. A well-designed interface reduces training time and user errors. Finance teams often need to generate custom reports for audits, management, or compliance. Choose backup software that allows you to create and export tailored reports, including backup status, recovery history, and user activity. Custom reporting streamlines documentation and audit preparation. If your organization has multiple finance teams or departments, multi-tenancy support allows each group to manage their own backups independently. This feature is useful for large enterprises or firms with complex structures, ensuring data separation and simplified administration. Regular maintenance ensures your backup system remains reliable. Choose software that allows you to schedule maintenance windows, apply updates, and perform health checks without disrupting finance operations. Proactive maintenance prevents issues before they impact your team. Role-based dashboards present relevant information to each user based on their responsibilities. For example, finance managers see high-level summaries, while IT staff access technical details. This customization improves efficiency and ensures everyone has the data they need. Data compression reduces the size of backups, saving storage space and speeding up transfers. Check if the backup software offers efficient compression algorithms and how they affect performance. For finance teams with large datasets, compression can lead to significant cost savings. Custom alerts let you define specific triggers for notifications, such as failed backups, unusual activity, or storage thresholds. This proactive approach helps finance teams address issues before they escalate, maintaining data integrity and system reliability. Comprehensive documentation helps your finance team understand and use the backup software effectively. Look for clear user guides, FAQs, and troubleshooting resources. Good documentation reduces support requests and empowers your team to solve problems independently. A strong user community and active forums can be invaluable for finance teams. They provide peer support, share best practices, and offer solutions to common issues. Check if the backup software has an engaged community or official forums for additional help. Backup software should evolve with your finance team's needs. Ask vendors about their product, roadmap, update frequency, and plans for new features. Regular updates ensure your solution stays secure, compatible, and aligned with industry trends. Choosing backup software for finance teams is a multi-step process, but following this checklist will help you make a well-informed decision. Remember to assess your needs, prioritize security and compliance, and test solutions before committing. The right backup software will protect your financial data, support your team's workflow, and ensure business continuity. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to take the next step in safeguarding your finance team's data.